So the adventure begins. 2 in the morning at Longs Peak Trailhead. Here we go. Woo-woo. Here we are at Broadway Ledge, base of the casual route. It is gonna be awesome. We made really good time coming up. Got here in about 3.5 hours, and just gonna wait for the sun to come up, warm up a little, and gonna send it.
How do I wake my spirit cold?
Focus, focus.
We always say when our history's told, if only we knew the things we know. There's a question ages old. Let me down easy, let me down slow. If all good things ever come and go, let me back down in a place I know. Hold the nail for the hammer stroke. Oh. Trash, this my tone. Oh, this my blood, this my bone. How do I learn my dreams to mold, to lay them bare in the morning cold? If the still the chasm grows. For all you know, for all you know. Let me down easy, let me down slow. If all good things ever come and go, let me back down in a place I know. Hold the nail for the hammer stroke.
14,000 feet.
This my weapon.
Oh yeah.
This my load. Oh. This my blood. This my bone. How do I wake my spirit cold? Most people die, but others just go. The chasm grows, steady on the feet in the morning glow. Oh, this my trash, this my tone. Oh, this my weapon. Question ages old.
We did it! The casual route. Yes, it was so cool. And now we get to sit on this ledge. That's like almost 2,000 feet above that lake. And next up, join up with Keener's route and hit the summit. The final push to the summit. Sam's first 14er. How's that for a first 14er?
The diamond?
Yeah.
Pretty intense.
How do I wake my spirit cold? Most people die, but others just go. Woo! She's still
things just escalated a little.
Oh my god.
It is like a grapple hill.
And it hurts.
And we still need to get to chasm. Whoa, that's kind of cool looking though. Dang.
Whoa, bruh. So bad. How the fuck is this?
Conditions are not ideal. We finished the first wrap and now we got to get down there. So we have to do a second wrap because we're not going to down climb that. And yeah, just another day up on Long's Peak. What? That's Jon Cardwell up there. And they were working a 14 minus on the diamond in hail.
Yeah, a little disappointed this sucked.